Here we have here y over 1 over x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x over 6 times y minus 1 over xy squared minus x. So, naka-multiply tanan. Atong task before no sila i-multiply, ato sang kono no kanang i-kuan ba kuha ng mga factors. Okay, let's try to find the different factors for this. Okay, so kani siya is factored na. Wala tayo problema sa y plus 1 over x minus 2 kay prime na ni sila, no? Simplest na niyang form. How about this? X squared plus 2x. I think we can say nga common ang x sa ilahang duha dahil basta duha ka term x squared sa 2x. So if we factor out x, ang mabilin diri x na lang because x times x is x squared. Then diri ang mabilin kay 2. X times 2 is simply 2x. Okay? We have 6. And then the ani, what? Dani kay y minus 1 is a prime prime monomial. And this one, xy squared minus x. I think makita po na ito nung ang common nilang duha kay common ang x, right? So if we factor out x, ang mabilin kay wait, xy squared again. Xy squared minus x. I-factor out ato ang x, ang mabilin kay y squared minus 1, right? But we know nga ang y squared minus 1, pwede pa na ma-factor because that is what? Y squared minus 1 squared, right? Kung sa na siya gani, that is in the form u squared minus v squared. Kabulumang ka nga, ang factor ng u squared minus v squared is simply u minus v times u plus v. So, bali, imong u diri kay y, ang imong v kay 1. So, this will be what? Y minus 1 times y plus 1. Okay? Muna ang factor ani imong kwan. Xy squared minus x. Okay? Now, after na-factor na sila, makita nato diri karon kung kinsay pwede ma-cancel ng mga term. As you can see here, y plus 1 here and y plus 1 here can be cancelled. Kinaka-multiply lang sila tanan. Okay, y minus 1 here and the y minus 1 here can also be cancelled. X here and x here can be cancelled. What will be left will be x plus 2 over 6x minus 2. Okay? Muna lang tayo nabali ang mabilin. Okay, so we have that x plus 2 over 6x minus 2. Okay? So that is our answer to this. Now, if we want to verify somehow if tama ba to ang answer or dili ba tama, basig natin na mali pag add, subtract, or pag multiply, we could actually invoke always that checking. Itong i-check, basin man good kung no, nasayo plan ta pagkuhan. So, let us put values to our x and our y. Let us see kung ang left-hand side is still equal to the right-hand side. Okay? Let y equal to, shall we say, depende lang. Pwede 1. And let x be equal to 2 siguro, okay? So if we have, dili pwede 2 ang x kay ma-0 man dahil yung denominator dito. Kung ano lang po ang x? 3 siguro, 3 na lang. Let x equal to 3. So in this case, we have y plus 1, that's 2, over 3 minus 2 is 1. So we have 1, ay 2, right? 2. 2 over 1 or simply 2. 2 times, or 2 over 1 na lang. No? Times kani kay x squared plus 2x, this is what? 9 plus 6, 15. 15 over 6 times ano siya? Y minus 1, that's 0. So y minus 1 is 0. Hala, 0 man no? Y minus 1, 0. Dayon, ang imuhang kuan dire kay mahimo, well, 3 minus 3. Ay, dili pwede kuan, dili pwede 3 kay dili pwede y kay 1 kay kuan man yung denominator nimo no ma-0, bawal man na siya. So, kuan na lang, let y equal to kuan na lang 0. Okay? Let y equal to 0. So kani siya x equal to 3. So kani siya kay yung value ana niya kay kuan na no kanang 1 na lang ni siya na 1. Okay? Ang kani siya, kuan lang ni siya kay unsa man din siya bali. This will be tama ra gihapon. Kani siya kung 0 among y, it will become negative what? Negative 1 divided by negative x. So negative 1 over negative 3. So 1/3. So mawala lang ng mga negative no. So pag times mo diri 15 divided by 3, ang mabilin diha kay 5. So ang mabilin kay 5/6, okay? Lantaw na to kung kani ba 5/6 ba ni siya. Okay, so if x is 3, we'll have here 3 plus 2 over 1. 6 times 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is clearly 1. So that's 6 on the numerator kay 5. So equal sila bale. We are happy with that. Thank you.